Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the human evolution. So human evolution is nothing but it is a gradual development of a human being from million years ago till now, how the human being have developed. So that one we are going to learn under the human evolution. And under this, the major accepts, that is nothing but major trends in transition from apes to man. Simply we can say from apes to man, how the development has happened or how the evolution taken place. So second point, the major changes that took place in the evolution of man. Man का अंदर जो changes include हुआ, what are the changes have done during the evolution or during the stepwise process? Nothing but increase in size or height of a person, complexity of brain, that is nothing but intelligence increase, and cranial capacity is also increased. Bipedal locomotion, nothing but they walk on the two legs, and opposable thumb, erect posture is on a straight, shortening of forelimbs and lengthening of hind limbs, and development of chin, and also broadening of pelvic girdle, development of lumbar crutches, social and cultural development, art, tool, and everything have been changed from the earth. That is nothing but the process by which the human developed on the earth from the primitive extent till from now to consider from the extinct primates, nothing but apes to man, how the development, how the person has changed. Startingly they used to be like a chimpanzee, they used to walk like on four legs and continuously straight, the posture little bit bending straight, and completely the human being is able to stand on the two legs. So that is the evolution, how it has taken place in a stepwise manner. So this was first time the theory of evolution was given by the Darwin under his book known as The Origin of Species. So Origin of Species, the book, in that book this Darwin, the scientist Darwin has explained about the theory of evolution clearly, and this was completely based on the natural selection. Already we have learnt about the natural selection, how the natural selections have taken place in previous video. So today on basis of this, the Darwin has emphasized a theory based upon some points. First, struggle of existence, nothing but those who can fit for survival, and next variation जो changes because of gene mutation का वजह से जो changes हो सकता है, and survival of fitness, and also natural selection. These were the main key points which the Darwin theory has emphasized. Now resulting on this evolution, the interaction between the following process. So all these four compare करके mainly how they had selected, what was the changes happened during the human evolution. Human evolution का time पे how the changes taken place based upon what बोले तो natural selection. So this natural selection also based upon some of the changes like mutation का वजह से, mutation is nothing but sudden heritable change, genetic recombination, crossing over of chromosomes का वजह से, chromosomal abnormalities का वजह से भी change हो सकता है. Next, natural selection and reproductive isolation. Reproductive isolation also we have learned in previous lesson clearly. So based upon these, the stages we are going to learn about the what are the stages taken place from apes to man, nothing but from primates to now present position तक कैसे stages stepwise manner से आया. So some of the stages in a human evolution, first one is a Dryopithecus, second one is a Ramapithecus, third one is Australopithecus, fourth one is Homo habilis, and Homo erectus, Neanderthal man, and Homo sapien. Present we are called as a Homo sapien. So let us see in detail each of these stage clearly. First one we are going with the Dryopithecus. So this Dryopithecus lives arises in archaeological era, and इसका fossil site of fossil कहाँ find हुआ? The site of fossil, the first time they were identified fossil in Africa and little bit in Himachal Pradesh. Now this Dryopithecus is considered as a common ancestors of man, ape, and man, and their fossils are found million years ago, 25 million years ago. They were more similar to ape. So next stage is a Ramapithecus. This Ramapithecus stage they appear little bit like a man, starts to appear like a man. So these Ramapithecus, these are found, fossils are found near Shivalink hills in India and also little bit in Kenya. So appearance as is like a man, and period is Miocene and early Pliocene epoch 12 to 14 million year ago. Miocene is nothing but यहाँ पे it is from 23 million years ago, and Pliocene is nothing but it is 2.3 to 2.6 million years ago. Epoch is वहाँ पे epoch दिया. This epoch is nothing but a particular period of time. That particular period of time को हमने एक term दिया है, it is nothing but epoch. So 14 to 12 MYA is nothing but million year ago. So this was the period where the Ramapithecus was found, and its posture is little bit erect. Next, coming to the Australopithecus. This Australopithecus was found near the South Africa and Ethiopia. In the country like South Africa and Ethiopia, and this Australopithecus main point यहाँ पे it is a connecting link between apes and man, and इसका posture little bit straight, completely straight, and skeletal it is period of 4 to 1.8 million years ago. Next, skeletal features, these are not taller than 4 feet ही रहता है, jaws develop हो गई, proganthus face, little bit chin lower chin is an absent, and lumbar curvature present, and इसका cranial cavity, that is nothing but brain development start हुआ. Now the cranial cavity capacity is of 450 to 600 cc. Now special feature nothing but man like जो brain है, this ape also have started to develop the brain. So this is about the Australopithecus. Main important point, the question may come, connecting link between apes and man is nothing but Australopithecus, and brain, which stage the brain has start develop बोले तो from the Australopithecus. Now coming for the another one, next stage, Homo habilis. Homo habilis, this was found in Africa, and appearance same, handy man like, complete man like appear होता है, and इसका period है 2.5 to 1.4 million years ago, and skeletal structure is nothing but lower jaw is present है, lightly built, dentition बोले तो teeth starts to develop like modern man, molar, small molar started in this position, completely posture is completely, he stands erect, and cranial cavity little bit developed compared to Australopithecus to Homo habilis को cranial capacity develop हो गई, like it is of 400, now here it is of 650 to 800 cc, and यहाँ पे special features क्या है, तो they do not eat meat, probably they do not eat meat, but starts to prepare the tools from the stone, and they are nicknamed as a handy man. Next, coming for the completely, it appears like ape man, Homo erectus. This Homo erectus is completely found in Java and Pre-Cring period का time पे, and यहाँ पे period is mentioned epoch of 1.5 million years ago, and skeletal features are, they are completely in Homo habilis they are 4 feet, and coming for the Homo erectus it is an 5 feet, and completely proganthus face has developed, massive jaws, huge teeth also started, but chin is also absent, and bony eyebrow ridge present, and completely posture is nothing but standing position, erect, and यहाँ पे little bit development of cranial cavity you have seen, it is 900 cc, and special feature यहाँ पे it starts to eat meat यहाँ पे शुरू किया, and omnivorous, might have used fire. ठीक है, this is about the Homo erectus. Next one is Neanderthal man. Here Neanderthal man is found in Germany and appears like prehistoric man, little bit complete development like prehistoric man. Period यहाँ पे it is of 10 to 40 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago, and skeletal features यहाँ पे completely heavy built, short, prominent, brow ridges, low forehead, deep jars, chin absent, and curved thighs started. And posture, coming to posture, completely erect. And यहाँ पे complete development of brain you can see like 1400 cc. Special feature used to hide, and they used to bury the dead bodies and started to construct the tools. Next, last one, Homo sapien. This is a complete human being, nothing but modern man जो है, all the human beings comes under Homo sapiens. So these Homo sapiens appearance, modern man, and complete posture is erect, and complete development of brain देख सकता है यहाँ पे 1450 cc. And special feature, developed distinct races and developed cave art before 18,000 years ago. So this is about the Homo sapien. Thank you, children.